Hey guys, this is part 2 to my HomeGoods shop with me video. The HomeGoods haul will be at the end of this video. I also stopped at Five Below on this trip since it was in the same plaza. You can find great organizing products at Five Below. I'll show you a few that I saw while I was there. Here are a few products to keep your car organized. This is a sun visor organizer. They also have a center console catch-all. They both help keep necessities within reach. Five Below also has great electronic accessories. I actually came here today so I can get accessories for my phone. You can find lots of totes and bins and also items for closet organization. Here is a good drawer organizer for only $3.25. You can't beat that. This is also a very good place for high school and college kids to set up their room or dorm room for a very decent price. Hey guys, welcome back. So I made it back from HomeGoods and I did get some items. I also went next door to Five Below and I picked up a few things. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. The only thing that I got from Five Below was I got this shutter ring. It's like a selfie shutter ring. I don't think I'm gonna put it on the back of my phone. I'm just gonna use it for when I need to take like a selfie, like far away from my phone. We'll see how it works. I mean, it was $5, so we'll see. And then I got this adapter that I needed for my phone because I got a new phone, so my old headphones won't fit this. Okay, so now let's get into HomeGoods. Okay, so I did get those organizers. This is by iDesign. They are drawer organizers, if you can see it. These are drawer organizers. And I got 2 of them. One of them I'm going to give away to one of my subscribers. I'm going to do like a giveaway. And I'm going to create like a little basket. So make sure you subscribe to me. So yeah, this is 2 of them. So I did buy that. They were only $5.99. So that's a steal. And it's one of the big ones. And then I got... I like the way they wrap these up too. I got this. This is actually for the bathroom to hold like the soap dispensers. But it was $12.99, which is way more than I really wanted to pay. But I'm going to use this in the kitchen because I have soap dispensers in the kitchen and like for some of my sponges. I'm going to use this for that because, I don't know, I like it. Like the marble look. I don't have marble in my kitchen, but I like this look. And it has like, at the bottom, it has like this felt bottom, which will keep it from moving. I'll try to do a video to show you. Okay, so let's put that over there. And next, I got... What else did I get? Oh, I did get this, which is similar to that marble like soap dispenser, but I'm going to use this in the bathroom. This is This is $7.99, and you can pretty much put anything on it. Like here you see they got like a watch and bracelet and some fingernail polish. But I'm going to actually use it for like some things that I use in the morning, like my face moisturizer, my face wash, just something that I can easily get to in the morning. I won't have to go in my drawers because my drawers are organized, but I was thinking that it would be really good if I could just have my essentials on the counter, because I'm a person, I really don't like anything on the counter because I think it's clutter. But I think this is going to work because I saw someone with this, not this particular one, but they did have something similar to this and they put their essentials on there. I'm going to try it out and see if I like it. So I'll let you know. And also I'll do a video on it too. So it's just considered a tray. And also it looked like you can use it for napkins or paper towels in your bathroom or maybe your kitchen or just anything really that you want to use it for. Okay, put that over there. And last, I got these. Ooh. I got these placemats because I have like a crystal pineapple on like the countertop in the kitchen. I'm gonna see if I can grab it for you right quick. So this is made by Sparkles Home and it says luminous placemat. This was $7.99. So I got two of them. I don't have an actual dining room table, so all I really need is two. I have a bar height counter that I have bar stools at, and I also have a bar, but I have drinks over there. So this is what I will be using. Look at that glitter, y'all. Ooh, this is so nice. Yes. See if I can put the light on it. See that? Yes, this is nice. So yeah, this is my haul for today. And that's all I got. So I went and got the pineapple that I was talking about. This here, it always sits on my counter. I will have that next to this placemat here. I do have several items like this throughout my home. Here is another one. This is more like a vase. I keep that on the coffee table because I have a glass coffee table. So I really like these. And I was trying not to buy as many, and you can put like a candle in there. Sometimes I do put a tea light in there and just light it up. It looks real beautiful at night. So yeah, these two I really love. So you see how the sparkle from the placemat kind of complements the crystals. I didn't want it to be too much, but I think it's going to go well because I did see something like this in HomeGoods and I put it next to it and it went well. So we're going to see. I do have blue napkins that goes on the top. These are the napkins that I have. I do have a charger on there now. These napkins are kind of sitting on there. And this little ring, this napkin ring, I made this myself. It is with hot glue and some crystals. So hope you like that ring. So yeah, we'll see. I'll put it all together and hopefully I can film it. We'll see. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my little haul here. I want to try to vlog a little more often. So I'm trying this whole YouTube thing out and I really appreciate that y'all are supporting me. I'm going to try my best to keep it up. Maybe I can do more vlogging in the future, more shot with me's, more organized with me. You kind of got that today, just a little glimpse of it. I'll try to take you along the ride when I go to some places. I do have a couple of projects coming up where I have to organize some homes for new clients, so hopefully they will let me film that experience so you can see everything from beginning to the end, because I know a lot of people want to see exactly how I go shopping for everything and pick out everything, and then how I declutter everything and then put everything together and reorganize it. So I want to try to see if my next two clients that I have coming up will let me vlog and film the whole project. Thank you all for watching. Here's a glimpse of some of the items that I bought. Please make sure you subscribe and click like, and also click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. You can continue watching by clicking on the videos above.